I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Action Livestorm. Give here an API key, so please visit the Livestorm API token. Generate a token. Give here a meaningful name. Give here right permissions. Generate a token. Copy the API token and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an event. Choose a session. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to the Livestorm site and go to People. Refresh the page. You can see the data came successfully in the Livestorm site. Thanks for watching.